Hello everyone, I'm Shubhrat Mishra from Mineral Processing Department, CSR IMMD Bhubaneswar. My topic is on fluidized bed reduction roasting for uh, utilization of low grade iron ore and how it can be a potential technology that we will come to know in the slide. In the introduction, I would like to highlight three things that due to the increased demand of steel, we have to utilize them, and these low and lean grade iron ores are uh, creating environmental pollution. So, and these are fragile in nature. Again, it is a problem that how why we cannot go through the normal beneficiation or conventional beneficiation process. Okay, so this is the plan that we can this is the graphical abstract, you can say, why we use fluidized bed reactor, because it can handle easily, it can handle fines, and it can be scalable for plant scale production. This is the main thing. Now going to the next slide, it is utilization of low and lean grade iron ore. Okay, this is the plan by Ministry of Steel, and we have to produce around 300 million tons of steel by utilizing 800 million tons of low grade iron ores. So the problem with the problem with the Indian ore, iron ore, is these are hematite and containing a good amount of clay minerals, and these are also contained hydrogen minerals, that is goethite, which creates actually, which is fragile in nature. So when we are doing the conventional beneficiation process, it generates huge amount of fines, and these are flaky types in nature, and these are containing more cavities in its matrix. Now going to the next slide, characterization of the feed sample. We collect a natural fine sample from the Budbil region of Odisha, and we perform the chemical analysis. We found it is a 53.1 grade uh, iron ore, and we took another non-coking coal, and having it was having a 38% of fixed carbon, which is used as reactant in the fluidized bed reactor. Then we perform the XRD. We can see that goethite, hematite, and kaolinite is there. Goethite is SAR peaks are goethite along with some hematite and kaolinite. Here, this is the optical microscope study of the feed sample. You can see we can confirm whatever phases identified by the XRD that is present in the optical microscope. And then going to the experimental methodology, what we have done, we prepare the sample, we prepare the mixture of iron and coal, we fed into the BAS type fluidized bed reactor, then we collect it at a respective residence time at 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, like that, and we perform the LIMS, low intensity magnetic separation. After this is the basic reduction reaction that is happening inside the fluidized bed reactor, and this one is the result. In the result part, you can see that we are getting the goethite and hematite is converted here. The goethite and hematite is converted to magnetite and megamite. Okay, it is converted to magnetite. So it is started at 2 minutes itself, and then at 4 minutes you will get a sharper peak. However, if you will increase the residence time, there is a decrease in the mag weight and the grade. So we are getting our optimum result at 4 minute residence time, a 62.17 grade Fe, and along with 73.26% recovery and 62.47 mag weight recovery. So this is the overall conclusion of my study, that we are getting a 62.17% Fe with a recovery of 73.26 from a feed of 53.19. So this is the major important thing, and we can say that this is a very faster process. Faster kinetics is there, and it is containing around 77.61%. Recovery is there, and 60.11% Fe grade was achieved at 2 minutes. Okay, then uh, so this is the proposed process flow sheet. You can say we can use the low grade iron ores through this method. We can prepare the pellet after getting the reduced sample, and either we can go for blast furnace or DRI process. Thank you everyone.